For 31 years, a terrifying serial killer known as BTK, short for Bind, Torture, Kill, terrorized Wichita, Kansas. He sent taunting letters to the police, bragging about his crimes. The community was gripped with fear. BTK, whose real name was Dennis Rader, was a family man, church leader, and city employee. No one suspected him. In 2004, he sent multiple floppy disks with letters to 11 media outlets. But then, detectives collected over 1,300 DNA samples, which eventually led them to Rader's church, and DNA evidence from his daughter sealed his fate. After 31 years, the monster was finally captured. Rader confessed to killing 10 people, showing no remorse. He explained the murders in detail without apology, leaving everyone stunned. Rader was later diagnosed with narcissistic, obsessive-compulsive, and antisocial personality disorders.